Bounce it on your head again.
Okay. Boom. Do the other one, Carson.
This way. Yep, do it this way. So it doesn't go over the fence. Can you bounce it hard on your head?
Yeah.
Like jump into it? No? No, practice.
Ow.
Evie, can you do it? Okay, right there. You're just letting it hit you on the head. What I was talking about is let it bounce it off your head.
Bounce it off.
Alright, give Evie a turn. Ooh. That's not how you do that.
Wee! Ah! I keep throwing it the wrong way.
Just throw it up.
Let me show you. Wait, I do know this one. I do know this one. Okay, scoot over.
Come here, Carson.
Let me show you.
Carson, she wants to show something else. Come here. No, it's not a volleyball. Don't do that. You can hurt your wrist doing that.
This is how you do the kick thing. Come on. I did it before.
Watch out. You're next to that fence.
Oh, I just did it. Carson. What?
Stay away from this fence, baby. Okay?
Okay, so we're going to do a little game. We're going to do soccer. See?
You kicked it to me.
Apple Smith, throw it to the person, then you have to kick it from the other person, and the person has to get it.
Whoops. I kicked it a little hard, didn't I? What? Are you buzzed? Oh, you hurt your wrist? Really, son? Let me see. I don't see anything.
Okay, you ready? You got saved. Wow.
Yeah.
I know you haven't played soccer most, but you were starting to hang of it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Love it.
Oop. It's not very nice. Carson. That's that rose bush right there. Don't do that again, son. Move out of the way or I'm going to kick you in the face. You can't stand right next to where she might kick you in the face. Oop, I'm going to kick her in the face. Sorry. Me?
Yeah.
But you didn't stop it.
No.
You were going to kick it extra close to me. You gotta give me some room. No, Carson, not right next to me. I need to be able to have room to step over. Alright. Oop. Oh! Oh, I got dinner on the stove. 5 minutes has been great. I gotta go back inside though. One more time.